Live from downtown Detroit, Local 4 News starts right now.
You could change what happened, would you?
Oh, absolutely. I wish he would have killed us instead.
Jennifer Crumbley taking the stand in her own defense on day 6 of her trial. First mother in America charged with involuntary manslaughter in connection with a school shooting as prosecutors try to paint her as grossly negligent. It tops our news tonight at 10. Glad you're with us. I'm Devin Skillion.
I'm Kimberly Gill. Jennifer Crumbley spoke directly to jurors and told them she had no idea her son was capable of what he did that day at Oxford High School. Mara McDonald is live downtown tonight. Mara, Crumbley was asked if she considered herself a failed parent.
She was asked that, Kimberly, and her answer is interesting in the particular way that she said this. She said, no, she does not consider herself a failure as a parent. However, she considers what happened that day to be a failure. It's Jennifer Crumbley's turn. The defense now gets its chance, and what Crumbley presented on the stand was a mother who said she had no concept her child was a threat to others. Prosecutors say her son had been hallucinating, that he saw demons in the house, and was texting his mom for help.
I'm sure I saw them, but they just didn't stick out to me until this case.
Why didn't they stick out to you?
Because it wasn't anything that was anything serious. It was Ethan just messing around.
Crumbley told the court it was a family joke. The house was haunted, and they even had pet names for their ghost or ghosts. As far as his status at school, she said she knew his grades were slipping and he was doing poorly. She did know he was sad. His only friend had been sent away for mental health treatment. She says she had no idea he wanted mental health help and did not go through his things, and therefore had no idea about his drawings and texts.
I did not go through his text messages. I didn't have a reason to. His bedroom I would go through when I clean it. When I come across things, I look through it to see if it was something I needed to keep or throw away.
The defense showed the jury photos in stark contrast to what prosecutors showed them of a filthy home. These were happy family photos. And why did she and her husband not turn themselves into police knowing they'd been charged? Why were they hiding out in a Detroit warehouse?
Because we didn't feel it'd be safe.
Okay, why is that?
Just the fact that the entire community and Michigan knew that we were expected to turn ourselves in at the police department so they would know where to go.
Back here live, the other thing that was interesting to watch today, so, you know, a lot has been made by the prosecution over the last several days about Jennifer Crumbley's behavior post-shooting, like caught on video with various detectives or in an interview room, whatever. And the detectives describe her behavior is atypical, meaning she wasn't emotional. She didn't seem to care about what had happened. I mean, I think the best you can call that behavior is nonchalant. She's not interested in where her child is or perhaps what he has done. She asked the cops if they should be talking to them. Do they need an attorney, etc. You get the picture. And she's constantly going through her phone and not really engaging in the conversation that's going on. So her attorney asked her to explain that today. And she says that, number one, she was numb to what had happened. Number two, she couldn't believe anything like this had happened, and that she was answering friends on text messages who were concerned about her son's well-being, hearing that there had been a school shooting in Oxford. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald. Local 4.
Yeah, okay, Mara, we appreciate it. And join us tomorrow morning at 6:30. The Morning Show team will be talking live with a legal expert about the prosecution's case now that it's wrapped, and we'll dive deeply into the reasoning behind the defense having Jennifer Crumbley take the stand. And when the trial resumes tomorrow, we'll be streaming it right here on Local 4 Plus, and click on Detroit.com.